Are things around us natural or man-made? What is natural material? A natural resource is something that is found in nature and can be used by people. Earth's natural resources include light, air, water, plants, animals, soil, stones, minerals, and fossil fuels. People need natural resources to stay alive. What is a man-made material? A man-made material is something that is built by people. The materials they use are made with natural materials. Examples of man-made materials are glass, paper, steel, rubber, concrete, plastic, and many more. Trees are natural resources that give us wood to make furniture, bridges, houses. Rocks are natural resources that give us materials to make bridges, castles, jewelry, toys, and so much more. Cotton is a natural resource that gives us fabric to make toys, soft towels, Q-tips, cotton balls, t-shirts, jackets, blue jeans, and you guessed it, so much more. Cows are a natural resource that give us leather to make belts, cowboy boots, jackets, wallets, footballs, and you guessed it, so much more. Gold is a natural resource that gives us precious metal to make gold coins, jewelry, rings, and even a gold car? That's right. So keep your eyes open to see how many natural and man-made materials you can find as you walk around the school. Now, let's go to our tables and build some structures with man-made and natural materials.